Good day to you, my brothers and sisters of St. Anthony of Padua. I come to you today as your brother, your friend, and of course, as your new administrator. I want to begin again by thanking you all for your great goodwill. And I want to reassure you that we will continue to run an open door policy in our parish. Please, see this as your home. It is your parish. If there is anything you don't like, speak out. If you cannot speak, write. Let us know. Come to our office and talk to us. Please feel free to make your own contributions in terms of talents, in terms of advice, in terms of resources, so that together we will continue to build the parish forward. But I also come to you today to highlight to you some of the very proximate events that we have. First on the list is that this coming weekend, the 18th of February actually, to be precise, we have agreed as a parish and we think and believe it is something worthwhile that we all gather together to say a farewell to our beloved pastor, a man who has generously served us for 10.5 years. And I thank you for accepting this goodwill, this news. I've seen a lot of you have been making your contributions as gifts, and that is highly appreciated. But I also want to tell you, my friends, that the greatest gift Father Bob will appreciate will be to see you present on that day. Like I said, I wouldn't want this church to be filled up. Let us gather together on the 18th of February, 9 o'clock in the morning, to celebrate a Mass of farewell. I look forward to seeing all of you. And I have no doubt, because like I said, the love and the care you've shown so far has given me great confidence that with your cooperation, with your prayers, we will move this parish forward. Look forward to other video clips in the future that will help you to understand more and more the programs we will be having in the future. May God bless you. Thank you very much. And may, through the prayers of St. Anthony of Padua, may God grant our good heart desires. Thank you.